In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp contact name not showing. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So first we want to open WhatsApp, and from here, as you can see, mine is showing contact names, but if yours is not showing contact names, it means that maybe WhatsApp doesn't have permission through your contacts and your phone. So what we can do is grant WhatsApp the permissions. So from here, we want to go to our phone settings, and we need to find our app settings, and we need to find WhatsApp. It should be at the very bottom. For this setting page is set to alphabetical. And from here, we want to select WhatsApp. And here, we want to go to permissions. We want to make sure that contacts is allowed. Do not choose don't allow or allow every time you're using this app. Always choose allow. You want to make sure that your contacts permission is allowed. Also, your phone permission is allowed. So that's how you fix WhatsApp contact name not showing. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.